Okay, at this point, I've created my Web Clipper account and I'm ready to get started. In the Chrome extension, I can click, choose Output to an App. I currently have no blueprints. Let's create one. Here I want to track the customer's name, the contact person, the order number, and the due date. Now I'm going to select these fields from the screen, and I can do that by, if I just want to type a value, I can enter it here, or I can choose it from the screen by sliding that and clicking the screen button, and I'll go over and choose customer. For the contact, order number, and due date. Now that I have that information, I'm going to name this order details. And I'm going to create that blueprint. Now that that blueprint's been created, okay, let's head over to Zapier. And within Zapier, let's create and make a zap. And I'm going to start with Web Clipper. We're going to send the web data. We'll continue with that. Now it's going to ask me to sign in to Web Clipper. I'm going to authorize that. All right. We'll continue. And now that I've got that blueprint in place, I can see the order details blueprint here that I just created in the Web Clipper Chrome extension. When I choose order details, and then I can optionally put a description here, and I'm just going to add send order details to Google Sheets. And I'm going to continue. And now I'm going to choose Google Sheets, choose my account, well, create the spreadsheet row, and now choose my account, and I'll continue. And for the spreadsheet, I've got one called Orders. We'll choose the first worksheet, and then you can see the columns within my Google Sheets are shown here, and then I can choose from the blueprint what I want to put in each of these. So I'm going to put the customer from the blueprint here, the contact, order number, and then finally due date. Now that I have those in place, I'll continue. Okay, and now we can see that we have all the information we need. We're going to test. We're all done. Yes, we want to turn it on. Okay, so if I go over to Drive and I take a look in my order spreadsheet here, I can see that first order has been sent, and this was data that was created in Web Clipper and sent to Zapier. And we can see our first row here, ABC Corp, Joe Smith, and this is order ending in 359. So now if I were to go to Press Jobber, and if I were to go to my order details, I can actually refresh this, and I'll be able to see that now I have, under order details, I have one integration in place. And you can see that this data is populated automatically, that this was the same order that I was on previously. But let's try navigating to another order, and we can see the value of Web Clipper. So if I were to go to another order, let's go down here to this one, and we have Stephen Smith, the BAK Industrial If I choose here, I choose output to an app, and then I choose order details, you can see all this data is scraped off the screen and entered here, so I don't have to enter it again. I can choose send data. I'll get the message that the data was sent, and then if I go over to orders, you can see that now that's been populated. So once we get the blueprint created, we can continuously use this because now Web Clipper knows exactly where to get that data from. Let's try one more. Orders, and I'll go to Acme Corp. Here's the order, Web Clipper, output to an app, our order details blueprint. There's all of our data populated. Send it, and let's go over to, and we should see it show up, and there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this.